Welcome back, garden enthusiasts. Today, we're starting our series on watering techniques with one of the best practices for healthy plants. Watering early in the morning. Let's dive in. Watering your plants early in the morning helps ensure that the water goes deep into the soil and reaches the roots, rather than evaporating due to the heat of the sun. Watering early also prevents fungal diseases. When water sits on the leaves overnight, it creates an environment where fungi can thrive. Morning watering allows leaves to dry quickly, reducing the risk of disease. Here's how to do it. First, water your plants early in the morning, ideally between 6 a.m. and 10 a.m. Second, water at the base of the plants, focusing on the root zone. Use a watering can or a hose with a gentle spray nozzle to avoid splashing water on the leaves. Watering early in the morning is a simple yet effective way to keep your plants healthy and thriving. Stay tuned for more watering tips in our series. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening!